Hashmap Megabytes.
Welcome everyone. In this video, we are going to see how to integrate DBT with Atlan. So go to integration, click on new integration, select DBT, then click on next. So first step is create credentials, which will be used to connect to your DBT project. Here you can see one set of credential is already created. Let's create a new one. This credential name is a unique name you can set up for reference. Optionally, you may require to give S3 access key ID and S3 secret access key to log into your S3 bucket. Then you need to specify location of your S3 bucket, which contains artifact files, including manifest.json and catalog.json. Optionally, you can specify the GitHub URL of your DBT project and then credentials of source data warehouse. So in our case, we have source data warehouse as Snowflake. So we'll select Snowflake integration and then select the Snowflake credentials, which are created at the time of creating Snowflake integration. So instead of creating a duplicate credentials, we'll use the existing one and then so again the crawler name, this is unique name you can set up for reference. You can put here your project name, a DBT project name, or you can check this particular box to include all projects that are accessible by the credentials which you selected. Check this particular box if you are interested to see a column level lineage as well. So we'll keep this as checked. If you want to execute this crawler immediately, then click on create and run. If you want to execute it on schedule, then add schedule to it. You can schedule your crawler daily, weekly, or monthly. If it is scheduled as daily, it can be scheduled once every day, only on weekdays, or only on weekends. If it is scheduled weekly, you can select start of week, or you can even select a specific days of a week on which you want to execute this crawler. You can even select a frequency as monthly and then a day of month on which you want to execute, or even you can select a specific months on which you want to execute your crawler. Then finally click on create and schedule. So your crawler will be created and it will execute on schedule. Thank you for watching.
Hashmap Megabytes.